Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel! If your Toyota RAV4 is your daily commuter, weekend explorer, or family road trip vehicle, you know how much comfort and organization matter. In this video, we're taking a look at 30 practical accessories designed specifically for the Toyota RAV4. From smart storage options to protection upgrades and clean style additions, these picks are all about making every drive more convenient and stress-free. And the best part? All the products are available on Amazon, so be sure to check the links in the description. Let's jump in and see which Toyota RAV4 accessories are worth adding to your ride. Very first on the list is retractable trunk cover for Toyota RAV4. Add privacy and security to your cargo space with this retractable trunk cover for the Toyota RAV4. It smoothly pulls across the rear area to keep valuables hidden from view while maintaining a clean interior appearance. The sturdy frame fits neatly into the side panels and retracts easily when more space is needed. Ideal for daily errands or road trips, it helps protect belongings from sunlight and prying eyes. A simple upgrade that adds both function and peace of mind. Next on the list is roof rack crossbars for Toyota RAV4. Expand your Toyota RAV4 carrying capacity with these roof rack crossbars built for strength and stability. They allow you to transport bikes, luggage, kayaks, or cargo boxes without taking up interior space. The aerodynamic design helps reduce wind noise while maintaining solid support at highway speeds. Installation aligns with factory mounting points for a secure fit. Perfect for travel and outdoor use, these crossbars turn your RAV4 into a more versatile adventure vehicle. Next add-on in our list is floor mats for Toyota RAV4. Protect the interior of your Toyota RAV4 with these custom-fit floor mats, floor liners built for everyday driving. They are designed to trap dirt, water, sand, and spills before they reach your carpet, making cleanup quick and easy. The raised edges help contain messes during rainy or snowy conditions, while the durable material resists cracking and curling over time. Once installed, they stay firmly in place and maintain a clean factory look. Coming up next, we have cargo mat for Toyota RAV4. Keep your trunk area clean and protected with this cargo mat, designed specifically for the Toyota RAV4. It shields the cargo floor from mud, groceries, pet hair, and outdoor gear without sliding around during drives. The textured surface helps items stay in place, while raised edges catch spills and debris. Easy to remove and rinse off, this mat makes everyday hauling worry-free. A practical solution for anyone who uses their RAV4 for travel, work, or weekend adventures. Next item in our list is center console organizers for Toyota RAV4. Keep your Toyota RAV4 center console neat and easy to use with these custom-fit center console organizers. They divide the deep storage space into practical sections, making it easier to store phones, wallets, keys, and daily essentials. Items stay visible and within reach instead of getting lost at the bottom. The snug fit prevents shifting while driving and blends naturally with the interior layout, a simple upgrade that improves organization and makes every drive more convenient. Next must-have in our list is trunk hidden toolbox for Toyota RAV4. Make use of unused space with this trunk hidden toolbox designed for the Toyota RAV4. It fits discreetly beneath the cargo floor, creating a secure spot for tools, emergency supplies, and small gear. The solid construction keeps items from rattling while driving and stays completely out of sight. Easy access design allows you to grab what you need without unloading the trunk, a clever storage upgrade that keeps essentials organized and your cargo area clutter-free. Coming up next, we have center console armrest cover for Toyota RAV4. Add comfort and protection to your Toyota RAV4 with this center console armrest cover. It shields the original surface from wear, scratches, and spills while providing a softer resting place for your arm. The tailored design fits securely without sliding or bunching, maintaining a clean factory look. Easy to install and remove for cleaning, this cover helps keep your interior looking fresh. A practical accessory that improves comfort during both short trips and long drives. Next accessory on the list is dash organizer tray for Toyota RAV4. Make better use of dashboard space with this dash organizer tray designed for the Toyota RAV4. It provides a dedicated spot for small items like sunglasses, parking cards, or keys, keeping them from sliding around while driving. The non-slip surface holds items steady, even on sharp turns. Installation is quick and tool-free, fitting perfectly into the existing dash area. A smart addition that keeps your dashboard tidy and essentials within easy reach. Next item in our list is anti-dust cup holder inserts for Toyota RAV4. Keep your Toyota RAV4 cup holders clean and mess-free with these anti-dust cup holder inserts. They protect against spills, condensation, and crumbs while adding grip to keep drinks stable. Made from flexible, easy-to-clean material, they can be removed and washed in seconds. The precise fit ensures they stay in place during daily driving. A small upgrade that makes a big difference in maintaining a clean and organized interior. Coming up next, we have rear bumper protector for Toyota RAV4. Protect your Toyota RAV4 rear bumper from scratches and scuffs with this durable rear bumper protector. It helps guard the bumper surface when loading groceries, luggage, or gear. The textured design adds grip and blends seamlessly with the vehicle exterior. Easy to install and built for everyday use, it helps preserve your paint finish over time. A practical upgrade that keeps your RAV4 looking well-maintained and ready for daily adventures. Next must-have in our list is driver's side drawer organizer for Toyota RAV4. Make better use of unused space with this driver's side drawer organizer designed for the Toyota RAV4. It slides neatly under the seat area to store small essentials like tools, cables, emergency items, or travel accessories. The sturdy construction keeps everything secure while driving, and the smooth, sliding action allows quick access when needed. It stays hidden and does not interfere with seat movement or comfort. A smart storage solution that helps keep your cabin uncluttered and your essentials easy to find. Next item in our list is dashboard cover mat for Toyota RAV4. Protect your Toyota RAV4 dashboard from heat, sun damage, and glare with this custom-fit dashboard cover mat. It helps reduce windshield reflection while driving and shields the surface from cracking or fading over time. The textured fabric sits firmly in place without sliding and blends naturally with the interior. Easy to install and remove, it also helps keep the dashboard cleaner by trapping dust. A simple upgrade that improves comfort and preserves your interior appearance. Coming up next, we have door sill protector for Toyota RAV4. Keep your Toyota RAV4 entry areas looking new with this door sill protector set. It guards against scratches, shoe scuffs, and everyday wear caused by getting in and out of the vehicle. The durable material is built to handle repeated use while maintaining a clean, finished look. Installation is quick and secure with adhesive backing that stays firmly in place. A practical addition that protects high-traffic areas and enhances interior durability. Next accessory on the list is trailer hitch 2-inch receiver for Toyota RAV4. Expand your RAV4 capability with this 2-inch trailer hitch receiver built for dependable performance. It allows you to tow small trailers or attach bike racks and cargo carriers with confidence. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, it delivers strength without compromising driving stability. The fit aligns with factory mounting points for a clean installation. A functional upgrade that adds versatility for road trips, outdoor gear, and everyday hauling needs. Next item in our list is hood bug deflector for Toyota RAV4. Protect your hood and windshield with this hood bug deflector designed for the Toyota RAV4. It helps deflect insects, road debris, and small stones away from the front of the vehicle while driving. The low-profile design follows the hood line closely, adding protection without affecting visibility. Built from durable material, it holds up well against weather and highway use. A useful exterior accessory that keeps your front end cleaner and better protected. Coming up next, we have door handle cover for Toyota RAV4. Protect your Toyota RAV4 door handles from scratches and fingerprints with these door handle covers designed for a precise fit. They shield the most frequently touched area from nail marks and daily wear while enhancing the exterior with a clean, finished look. The durable material resists fading and blends naturally with factory styling. Installation is quick and secure using pre-applied adhesive with no drilling required. A simple upgrade that keeps your door handles looking newer and adds subtle exterior refinement. Next must-have in our list is leather seat cover for Toyota RAV4. Refresh your Toyota RAV4 interior with these leather seat covers built for comfort and protection. They guard your original seats against spills, stains, and everyday use while delivering a smooth, premium feel. The tailored design follows seat contours closely, maintaining airbag compatibility and a secure fit. Breathable construction keeps rides comfortable in every season. Next item in our list is tempered glass screen protector for Toyota RAV4. Keep your Toyota RAV4 infotainment display clear and protected with this tempered glass screen protector. It defends against scratches, fingerprints, and glare while preserving sharp visibility and touch response. The precise cut covers the screen evenly without affecting brightness or sensitivity. Installation is quick and bubble-free, making it easy to maintain a clean display. A smart accessory that protects your screen from daily use and keeps it looking crisp and modern. Next add-on in our list is Rain Guards window visor for Toyota RAV4. Enjoy fresh air in any weather with these Rain Guards window visors for the Toyota RAV4. They allow you to crack the windows while helping block rain, wind, and road spray from entering the cabin. The slim, aerodynamic profile reduces wind noise and complements the vehicle's exterior lines. Built from durable material, they hold up well in changing conditions and install easily with strong adhesive. Next must-have in our list is mud flap splash guards for Toyota RAV4. Protect your Toyota RAV4 lower body panels with these mud flap splash guards designed for everyday driving. They help block mud, water, gravel, and road debris from reaching the paint, especially during wet or rough conditions. The flexible yet durable construction stays secure without cracking or warping. Installation aligns with factory mounting points for a clean fit, a dependable accessory that keeps your vehicle cleaner and helps preserve its exterior finish. Next item in our list is button cover trim rings for Toyota RAV4. Add a refined finishing touch to your Toyota RAV4 interior with these button cover trim rings. They fit neatly around factory buttons to enhance visibility and elevate the overall cabin appearance. The durable material resists fading and daily wear while blending naturally with the dashboard layout. Installation is quick, using secure adhesive backing with no tools required. A subtle interior upgrade that brings a more polished and customized feel every time you sit behind the wheel. Next accessory on the list is steering wheel trim for Toyota RAV4. Upgrade the look of your Toyota RAV4 steering wheel with this precision-fit steering wheel trim. It highlights key areas of the wheel, giving your interior a cleaner and more modern appearance. Built from lightweight, durable material, it holds up well to daily use without affecting grip or comfort. Installation is simple and secure, making it an easy way to refresh your driving area, a small detail that adds character and a more premium feel to every drive. Next add-on in our list is anti-slip foot pedal pads for Toyota RAV4. Improve control and comfort with these anti-slip foot pedal pads designed for the Toyota RAV4. The textured surface helps maintain steady footing, especially during wet or slippery conditions. Built for durability, they resist wear while adding a sporty look to the driver footwell. Installation is straightforward and does not interfere with pedal movement. A functional upgrade that enhances driving confidence and adds a touch of style to your interior. Next item in our list is envelope and floor-style cargo net for Toyota RAV4. Keep your cargo area organized with this envelope and floor-style cargo net for the Toyota RAV4. It securely holds groceries, travel gear, or loose items in place to prevent shifting while driving. The elastic design adapts to different load sizes, keeping everything stable and easy to access. Installation uses factory anchor points for a secure fit, a practical solution that helps maintain a neat and well-managed trunk space on every trip. Next must-have in our list is storage box insert divider tray for Toyota RAV4. Maximize interior organization with this storage box insert divider tray made for the Toyota RAV4. It creates dedicated sections for small items like phones, keys, and accessories, making them easy to find when needed. The custom-fit design prevents movement and reduces noise while driving. Easy to remove and clean, it keeps your console area tidy without sacrificing space. A smart upgrade that brings everyday convenience to your cabin. Next item in our list is gear shift knob cover trim cap for Toyota RAV4. Add a refined touch to your driving experience with this gear shift knob cover trim cap for the Toyota RAV4. It upgrades the look and feel of the shifter with a smooth, stylish finish that blends naturally with the center console. Designed for a precise fit, it installs easily over the original knob without affecting shifting performance. The durable material resists scratches from daily use, keeping your interior looking sharp. Next add-on in our list is door side storage tray for Toyota RAV4. Make better use of your door space with this door side storage tray for the Toyota RAV4. It fits neatly into the door pocket area, creating a more organized spot for phones, wallets, bottles, or small travel items. The tray helps prevent items from tipping over or sliding while driving. Easy to install and remove, it keeps essentials within reach, and your cabin clutter-free, a simple upgrade that adds everyday convenience without taking up extra space. Next must-have in our list is seat gap filler for Toyota RAV4. Stop losing items between your seats with this seat gap filler designed for the Toyota RAV4. It closes the gap between the seat and center console, keeping phones, keys, and cards from falling out of reach. The filler fits securely in place and blends well with the interior design. It also adds a soft, resting edge that feels natural during long drives, a practical solution that improves comfort and keeps your cabin organized. Next item in our list is trunk organizer for Toyota RAV4. Keep your cargo area neat and manageable with this trunk organizer for the Toyota RAV4. Multiple compartments help separate groceries, tools, sports gear, and emergency supplies so everything stays in place while driving. The structured design prevents items from rolling around, and the foldable layout allows easy storage when not in use. Built-in handles make it easy to move in and out of the vehicle, a smart accessory that brings order to your trunk for daily use or road trips. Last on the list, we have key fob cover for Toyota RAV4. Protect your Toyota RAV4 key fob with this durable and stylish key fob cover. It guards against scratches, drops, and everyday wear while keeping all buttons fully accessible. The slim design adds grip without making the fob bulky, making it comfortable to carry in your pocket or bag. Installation takes only seconds, with no tools needed. A simple accessory that helps your key fob look newer and last longer. These Toyota RAV4 accessories are all about making your driving experience easier, cleaner, and more enjoyable. From interior organization to exterior protection, every item adds real value to your SUV. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.